Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put your Jeep Gladiator in neutral. First, make sure your Jeep Gladiator is on a flat, level surface. It's crucial to keep the engine running throughout this process. Also, ensure your foot is firmly pressed on the brake pedal. This initial setup is vital for safely engaging neutral, especially if you plan on flat towing your vehicle. Now, with your foot still on the brake, shift your main transmission into neutral. Next, find the transfer case lever, which is typically located on your center console. This lever controls the four-wheel drive system. You'll need to firmly and deliberately pull this lever into the neutral position. You might feel a slight resistance, but ensure it clicks into place. After shifting the transfer case, you might see a Service 4WD message or a similar indicator on your dashboard. This is normal. Now, shift your main transmission back into the park position. Carefully release the brake pedal for a moment to confirm the vehicle does not move. If it rolls, re-engage the brake and repeat the transfer case step. Once you've confirmed the vehicle is in neutral, you can turn off the engine, leaving the main transmission in park. If your Gladiator uses a physical key, remove it from the ignition. This completes the process for putting your Jeep Gladiator into neutral for flat towing or other needs. Remember to always consult your owner's manual for specific details. Check the description for a link to a great water bottle and other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.